At some point, every classic car owner needs to stop treating their engine like a mystery box and start treating it like someone you're on a first name basis with. I'm guessing I'm not the only one who leaves some jobs for another day, and engine removals and installs has been one of those for me. Not because I think they're complicated, but because they just feel risky. They're heavy, awkward, and it feels like one wrong move would turn into a pretty bad day. So today isn't about making this engine do anything other than helping me get comfortable with it. And timing actually helps here, because the current state of the Kombi is about as forgiving as it's ever going to be. There's no bumper, no rear apron, no paint I'm worried about, nothing precious, which takes a lot of pressure off. So I'm going to run through this a few times, just for the experience.
Clearly, this is a lot easier on a Kombi than it would be on a Beetle or a Carmen, but I'm grateful that I've got this opportunity. And I don't have the tinware or anything in the way, so this is a real early stage of learning how to put these engines in.
I'm good there.
Oh, like you have no music.
I'm recording, that's all.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's okay, sweetie. No. That's a keeper.
Oh no.
Well, that wasn't the experience I was looking for, but that's okay. I've come up with this little contraption that sits under the engine. I've taken some measurements and cut it out so that it fits quite snugly right at the areas that I think are solid around the engine base, and it gives room under the sump so that I'm not pressing on anything important there. And it also has a little bracket underneath that fits snugly straight into the jack.
Well, that's so much more stable, and I'm more confident in maneuvering it around and installing it now. But I still need some practice. There we go. Clearly the engine didn't change during this process, it was just my approach towards it which did.
And I think that by including more things onto the engine, like the tinware, and slowly increasing the complexity, I'll be far more confident in taking the engine in and out of this. And then I can transfer over to the Karman gear and see how that is with that one.
Well, Bob, how's it feel being installed? Silent type, eh?